So another video today to help you take care of yourself. When you're training hard and you're training like an athlete, you also need to recover like one too. So something I hear a lot of clients tell me and complain about is if they get pain in their calves or the back of their knees. Now, what that tends to be from is a lot of tension in the calf muscles. Now, underneath your foot, there is a tendon that runs from your big toe all the way up into the back of the knee. And the best way to release those calf muscles is to massage the fascia tissue under your feet. Now, you'll need something like this. This is a self-massage ball. It's a trigger point ball. You can get them from eBay for about £3. What you need to do with that is be barefoot or in socks like I am, pop it on the floor and you pop it right under your foot, and you're going to roll with quite a lot of force forwards and backwards. And this is just going to massage that fascia and that tendon underneath the foot to help release the muscles into the calf and into the back of the knee. So you'll need to do this for around 30 seconds on each leg. And I recommend doing this before or after training. So guys, that's what you need, a trigger point ball, and that's how to keep your knees and calves